Hi, I'm John Bronga and I head up the Chemist Works group of companies, and essentially we're pharmacies, and we're involved in the western suburbs of Sydney, in the city itself in the Newcastle area. We've had Daniel just do a presentation to us. It was a fantastic presentation, Daniel, and we're pleased. We had an issue where we're getting our managers to motivate their staff that help run the pharmacies, and we've just gone through a period of COVID where there's been a bit of a burnout. They've been working hard and staff have been off sick with COVID themselves, and we're just in that recovery phase, and we've got Daniel along to help us get back on track. So Daniel, you've done a great job, and I'd certainly recommend you to other businesses and pharmacies that have had the same sort of COVID shock occur in their businesses.
Hi, my name is Matt. I'm a pharmacist at Chemist Works in Broadway. We just had a workshop with Daniel. It was fantastic. Biggest takeaway for me was that it was a gentle reminder on everything we might have known or learned in the past that we might have forgotten, and it just brought it back to our mind. He was super captivating, super charismatic, super engaging as a presenter, and just give us that kick in the butt, reminding us what leadership skills we have and we can put out back into the world, making our staff members better people, better staff members and better colleagues. And great course, super engaging, and I definitely recommend it to anyone out there.